Let's land now. Ow, my tail. My pilot needs a license right now. After 7 years I'm going to Osaka. All aboard. 5:24 is too much. Right, I better take off now. Goodbye, Haneda. So peaceful, I'm not lying. 1 hour is taking me so long right now. Oh no, my tail broke off. I need to go back to Haneda before it's too late. What, it's under control, I keep turning but it helps. Come on, just turn. Wait, I am right next to Mount Osataka, this can't help. Think 123, think. Oh no, it's under control. Please, I don't want to die. I don't have a choice but to accept my fate. This is it. Goodbye, everyone.
Can you move for 1805?
Wait, I'm refueling.
When will he start? Can you move already?
Yeah, I am moving, just wait. I go first.
Okay.
Take off. So foggy today. What's that? Get
Oh,
out,
nitrogen
Pan Am, I am
monoxide,
trying
better
to take
turn.
off. Oh, that hurt, but come on, take off.
Protect
Damn
me,
I.
God. He just take off without any clearance.